good enough. Stuck between the walls of your little box, but I'm dancing with these strings that you gave me. I turned them into wings, did not forgive you. And I hope it were projections of your rejection. I hope there are redemptions, these standards you offer. You and I tried. You don't even know how scared of running, but staying scared me more. And I was scared of speaking, but the silence scared me more. And I tried. Don't even know how much. They run just like you run. Now they run just like you run. But I won't run like you run. Oh, I will look the truth in the eye. I will not lie. I will not lie to my. Woo, to my. Do you know me? Do you care? I've been lonely without you there, and anger does not suit me. Don't worry, I'm a good girl. Anger does not suit me. Don't worry, I'm a good girl. But you were a filthy man. washing away all of her shame. She does not have blood on her hands, but did get dirty by your sins. I'm not an angry woman. I am not what you fear. I'm not an angry woman. Don't leave me here. But you, but I feel deep. Get your hands from her body. Get your hands away from where they don't belong. Get your hands from her body. Get your hands away from where they don't belong. My body can't hold this. My body's getting stuck. Clean up me I'm not an angry I am cleaning out the garden. I haven't left much to say. My thoughts are quiet these days, and I am frightened to say that I think I might have changed. My flowers, they are off mood. I don't know how to behave. All things familiar now feel strange. And no one is coming to save you. Oh, you have to learn it on your own. Repeating cycles fall away. My inner room is rearranged. I don't know how to move on, but there is no choice to stay. The bridges never could have held me, so now I'm stuck at choosing one side. Lost the rule book of pretend. Being naked gives me light, and you are building a home